off the boat and we are on Vancouver Island. But unfortunately, we did receive some sad news. I may have to go into work tomorrow, meaning that I may not be able, well, we may not be able to ski at Whistler.
Yeah.
Hopefully,
The boss man
gives me one day off before I have to come in for the beginning of the ski season, but...
But, pretty cool out here?
No, it's not. I'm just pissed right now.
Okay. Way to be a negative Nancy,
but it's pretty cool out here. Oh, sorry, I missed your shot up.
Damn it, Brian.
I'm so sorry.
Damn it. There's snow right there.
The first snow is sighted.
Soon we will be shredding.
Not that snow.
Not that snow, but...
We checked today, there is lots of snow where we're shredding. So... So hopefully it doesn't all melt overnight.
That would be the ideal solution. Look at it. Look at that. That looks like snow to you, right?
I think that's sand.
Aww.
And they're not really using the boat, you know, they wanted to do a big trip on a boat, they've done their big trip on a boat.
Yep. They've done
sort
it.
of like next adventure or something, they're going wrestling grizzly bears or something in the interior.
Well, the secret's out of the bag.
Yes, we are investigating some sailboats.
That Brian may or may not be living on in
Yes.
6 months.
I am that much of a hipster that I am looking for a sailboat to live on. And there are talks of some big trips in the future.
Some grand adventures.
So as you may be noticing, I'm kind of like a ski in the winter, boats in the summer kind of guy. I mean, that's kind of how it's been going for the last 3 years, and I'm feeling good about it, so I might be willing to take the next step.
Ready to ski, bro?
Uh-huh.
Awesome.
Ready to not have someone rolling into me all night.
I'm sorry. Well, it's first thing in the morning. We are pretty much on our departure time. And we're going skiing.
What Ellen's trying to say is, we were the first ones into the campsite last night at 11 p.m. And we're the first ones out of the campsite now at 6:30 a.m.
Which might make
Everybody
us
hates us, but we don't care because we're going skiing.
Yeah, we're gonna shred some gnar, bruh. We've arrived. We're at Whistler. We're gonna shred soon.
So we've made it to Whistler, finally. For the first time, Ellen is here with snow on the ground.
Yeah.
So she's ready to have an awesome first day. We gotta figure out the parking situation, payment-wise, and get a ticket, and then we're gonna be on our way up the lifts.
Pretty awesome.
We're skiing.
We are skiing.
First day 2016! Well, 2017 season first day! Woo!
Yeah. Just another day shredding in Whistler.
Alright,
Ooh.
there's rocks.
Ooh.
Shit, well,
Can you turn?
no. You could, but you'd be going straight down. Alright, I'm just gonna try to kind of sidestep it.
Yeah.
Once I get down there, I can turn and I'll be fine. Let me take this drop and I'll get out of your way.
Okay.
There is a drop that you have to take.
Great.
Don't watch what I'm doing.
Dropping.
They do the groomed runs well here. Just the pitches they got.
Well, that was a long day.
We had the biggest first day we've had in either of our ski careers, period. We did 1,000-foot laps constantly. Yeah.
My legs kind of feel like jelly right now.
No,
But-
we powered through the day
Yeah.
pretty good though. I didn't really feel like I was hurting super bad until the very end.
God, that was amazing. I had a great
A
time.
lot of snow.
So much snow.
Very surprising how much snow they had for November. Anyway, we're headed back now. We've got about 3.5 hours of driving left before we get home, and I have to get up at 5 a.m. to go to work tomorrow. So,
I'm sleeping in though.
we're just
Probably.
gonna be driving for a long time.
But it was a great day.
Yeah. Hopefully
Great
next.
couple days.
Hopefully we do a little skiing at Stevens Pass soon.
Yeah.
Home Mountain.
I think we will be.
All right.
I think there's high likelihood of that.
Well, we will see you then.
Yes, we will.